So here is how to create different voices on Suno AI. First, you need to head over to the suno.com website. Here, if you click on Upgrade to Pro, you'll be taken to this page. This is where you can view all the plans that they offer, starting with Free, Pro, and Premier. For this one, I will be using the free plan. So let's click on Create from the left panel, and as you can see, we're now in the Workspace section. Here, let's click on the three dots of an existing song and select Reuse Prompt. So as you can see, the lyrics for this song is visible right here. So for each section of the song, you can type in which voice to be used for which part. For example, you can type in male or female. So I'll just go through the lyrics and type in which part will be sung by which singer. And once you're done, just go over to the bottom and click on Create. Suno will then start generating your song, and the output will now have different voices. And that's it. That is exactly how to create different voices in Suno AI.